BioAcne Serum. BioAcne Serum is a powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory local treatment ideal for quickly and effectively eliminating papules and pustules of acne-prone skin. This organic concentrate will be used immediately after BioAcne pH toner and can be used as a preventative or corrective treatment. Thanks to the diadermic method, this treatment works on the epidermis and penetrates into the pores. It can be used locally 2 to 3 times a day on acne lesion or evenly over a large surface area containing 4 or more papules and pustules. Advantage number 1: powerful antibacterial. Papules and pustules appear because of the excessive growth of acne-causing bacteria such as Propionibacterium acnes. When the follicle is clogged, this bacteria feeds off sebum and flourishes rapidly. It then releases irritating pro-inflammatory substances which trigger papules and pustules. Propionibacterium acnes also amplifies hyperkeratosis, which is the excessive production of skin cells that clog the follicle and thickens the skin. BioAcne Serum is made of antibacterial and pore-clearing salicylic acid from willow bark, fermented apple extracts, tea tree oil, and thyme essential oil. Thanks to the diadermic method, this synergy of ingredients helps to neutralize acne-causing bacteria to quickly and easily remove papules and pustules. It also helps prevent hyperkeratosis while locally dissolving excess oil and dead cells. This helps to unclog pores for a clear and smooth skin. Advantage number 2: calms inflammation. BioAcne Serum contains powerful anti-inflammatory magnolia bark extracts, purifying lavender essential oil, and moisturizing arginine. Formulated with the diadermic method, these ingredients reduce local inflammation triggered by acne-causing bacteria. This is why BioAcne Serum also helps to accelerate skin healing and prevent the appearance of acne scars. Advantage number 3: easy to apply. Convenient, the retail size of BioAcne Serum comes in a roll-on applicator for quick and easy use at any time of the day. Results. Results are visible from the first application. Papule, pustules, and blemishes are quickly dried. Redness is reduced. Acne scars are prevented. With every application, the skin looks healthier, smoother, and more uniform. How to use it? On clean skin. Apply the roll-on applicator directly onto areas with papules, pustules, and blemishes. In treatment room, use a cotton swab and apply directly to target areas.